Hey guys, welcome to Vanessa's Kitchen. Today's recipe is Turkish kebab or Shish kebab. It's a very easy, simple kebabs to make and the taste is very unique. Once you try these kebabs, you will never forget their unique taste. So let's go ahead to learn how to make these kebabs. For this recipe, we need chicken in big chunks. Here I am using whole dry spices, that is dry red chilli, cinnamon, cardamom, and here I am using black peppercorns, and here cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon ginger and garlic paste, 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil, and here 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and here hand curd 1/4 cup. In a pan, just roast the whole spices. Roast it for a couple of minutes. Once it is nicely roasted, and then we will make it in powder. Now I am going to marinate my chicken. First, in a big bowl, add hand curd, and then add the spice powder, and then add ginger and garlic paste, and then add oil, and then add salt and red chili powder. Now just mix them all together and make a smooth paste. Yes, this is perfect. Now I am going to add my chicken into this spice mixer. Now just give a good marinate and make sure it should be well coated. Yes, smelling very nice. And now just let it sit for 10 minutes, and next I'll show the next step. Now take a bamboo skewers and just put the skewer at the side of the chicken pieces. Again take another bamboo skewers and again put into the another side. Yes, this is perfect and it should be look like this. And then take another piece of chicken and just repeat the same process. Yes, this looks perfect. And then just arrange the chicken pieces and then take another piece of chicken. And here our one chicken kebab is ready, and just give this into your baking tray. Now just give me a minute and I'll finish my another skewers. Here is all the kebabs are ready to go into my oven, and my oven is already preheated in 230 degrees centigrade for about 10 minutes. Now just bake the chicken for 20 minutes in 230 degrees centigrade. After 20 minutes, now I am going to turn the other side. Very gently because it's very hot. Now I am applying my leftover marinating masala into the chicken skewers. Yes, this looks absolutely divine, and again put the chicken skewers into the oven for 20 minutes in 230 degrees centigrade. After 20 minutes, here is our Turkish chicken kebab is ready to serve, and they are looking divine. Now transfer this Turkish kebab into your serving plate and just serve this as a starter, or you can serve this with main course. This chicken kebabs is so yummy and so delicious. Try this recipe at your home and I'm sure you will love it. Thank you for watching. Bye. Take care.